Hello kids. In this video we will see about the intensive, demonstrative, interrogative pronouns in detail. Intensive pronouns. These have the same form as reflexive pronouns but are used to add emphasis. They can be removed without changing the core meaning of the sentence. Examples. The president himself will attend the meeting. I myself don't believe the story. You should do it yourself. In the above examples, himself, myself, yourself are intensive pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. These point to specific things or people, indicating their relative distance in space or time. Examples. This is my favorite song. Singular, near. That was a great movie. Singular, far. These are the keys. Plural, near. Those are my friends over there. Plural, far. In the above examples, this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. These are used to ask questions. Examples. Who is at the door? Refers to people, subject. Whom did you invite? Refers to people, object, formal. Whose is this backpack? Shows possession. What is your name? Refers to things or ideas. Which do you prefer, tea or coffee? Refers to a choice between options. In the above examples, who, whom, whose, what, which are the interrogative pronouns. In the next video we will see about the other pronoun types in detail.